How to change the wallpaper on a Windows 11 laptop. This tutorial shows you how to set a new background image on your laptop. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, click on Personalize to open the personalization settings. At this point, click on Background. From there, click on the drop-down next to Personalize your background. After that, select Picture if you want to use a single image as your wallpaper. In the next step, click on Browse Photos to search for an image saved on your laptop. From there, navigate to the folder where your image is saved and click on it to select it. Once done, click on Choose Picture to set it as your wallpaper. Following this, your new wallpaper will appear on your desktop immediately. From here, if you want to use a slideshow instead, go back to the background dropdown and select Slideshow. At this stage, click on Browse to choose a folder of images, and Windows will automatically rotate through them as your wallpaper. After this, if you want to use a solid color instead, select Solid Color from the dropdown and pick your preferred color from the palette. Finally, go back to your desktop and confirm your new wallpaper is displaying correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the wallpaper on your laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.